It's peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Kool Zone. I just wanted to share with you this amazing breakfast I made this morning. It is a peanut butter and jelly oatmeal with bananas on the side. And let me tell you, folks, it is going to be amazing. Yes, indeed. So if you're watching this video and you want to see more from the Kool Zone, please do like, subscribe to the Kool Zone, and I will see you soon. Kool Zone out.
At the bottom of the barrel, the apparel seems different. Clouded visions, I find myself blinded by the prism of the world.